Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Marvel Captain America Fangirl from the Madame Alexander collection for ages 10 and up. We found this doll at Toys R Us for $50. This is my second Madame Alexander Marvel Fangirl, and we just had to check her out. On the side of the box, there is a drawing of the doll, and on the back, it says, Marvel, inspired by Captain America. We can take a look into the designer's sketchbook to see all of the inspiration that went into making this doll. Legend, star, honor. Since Cap likes to rock the red, white, and blue, this doll does too. She has a crop top with a sheer chiffon striped fabric for a skirt, navy blue lycra, red faux leather opera-length gloves, knee-high lace-up World War II Army-style boots, and a belt with a star logo. Calling all fangirls, your favorite characters inspire and spark imagination, blurring the lines between fiction and reality. You've read all the graphic novels. You anxiously await the newest movies. These heroines are so much more. They're your reason for being. Ignite your passion for fashion, obsess, geek out, and flaunt your fangirl. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. She comes with a doll stand, so she is easy to display. Measuring from the doll stand, she is about 13.5 inches tall, and adding her hair, she's at 14. Her hair is pulled up into a tight bun. You can see a little braiding in the back. She wears a blue headband and has eyelashes. Her navy blue crop top has a high collar, cuffed sleeves, and velcros in the back. The crop top is attached to a white undershirt. You can see in the back that they are sewn together and they are all one piece. Her red faux leather opera-length gloves are more like sleeves. They do extend all the way to the shoulder, and the faux leather adds a nice texture to the outfit. She has a faux leather brown belt with a silver star buckle. It looks just like Captain America's shield. It velcros in the back, and it can be detached if you really wanted to. However, there are a few threads there to hold it in place. She has a red and white striped skirt with a chiffon train. This train is serious. There is a lot of fabric there. She wears navy blue lycra tights that have an elastic waistband. Her brown lace-up boots go all the way to the knee, and there is a little buckle in the back so the shoe can be removed. But I gotta say, it is not easy to get those boots on and off, so they're probably just gonna stay on. She has articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. She is absolutely adorable. I really like the texture of the chiffon, but for some reason that pattern is just giving me circus vibes. One thing I've just gotta check out is to see if she has painted arms and legs like Black Panther. And all of her limbs are very well covered, so we're just gonna have to move this right here to get a closer look. And the answer is no, she is not painted. So you don't have to worry about the paint chipping at the joints. However, this is kind of a soft plastic, so you have to be careful not to scratch her. Sorry, I feel like I'm being super critical. It's just that when a doll costs $50, I tend to look a little closer. These dolls are really pretty. They have a lot of detail. And I think they are more of a for show doll rather than a for play doll. But Black Panther and Captain America are like two of my favorite Marvel characters, so for me, they were a must-have. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.